Hello guys, welcome back to Auto Expo 2023, and this is probably the final unveil here at the Expo. This, if you've already not seen it, is the Ultraviolette F99. It's not a standard road going bike, but it's a racing bike, one that we both are quite keen on trying it out. Ishan, what do you think is going to be the highlight of riding an electric race bike?
I think no lag, man, in the throttle.
Yeah. Full throttle all the time. Yeah. And speaking of which, Ultraviolette has had to change the entire battery so that it can supply more current to the motor, and it's a bigger motor, 65 PS, 50 kilowatts. And you know what's the top speed of the bike?
200?
200 kmph on an electric motorcycle. That's taking things from the F77 Limited to another level. Of course, you won't want to worry about range, would you?
Yeah, no, you're on the track, man. Just quick in, quick out.
How many? 8 laps? 8 lap races should be a good deal. Yeah. I have done a little bit of young media racing. He's done a little bit of young media racing. 8 laps should be more than enough. But supplementing this bike with its performance capabilities is good hardware. You want to elaborate a little bit on that?
Well, Gabriel suspension.
Yeah. Adjustable.
Yeah.
Tires.
Sticky soft compound.
Yeah. Super Corsas. Brakes might be the same, but I think they'll be going to a more sintered pads for racing purposes. And the reasoning why Ishan and I are here to talk about this bike is, you can see we are completely different build. But the F99 allows the rider to make some tweaks, some modifications to suit their dimensions. So you can see the adjustable racing foot peg position, and it gets a slightly more aggressive riding stance. So while he can be tucked in completely with his legs up, men with thunder thighs will need a little bit more space. Yeah, and he'll be able to get into the tuck much better. But yeah, I need to lose that gut for it.
Ever stop whining and just go racing?
Yeah, I did go racing and I did beat you also, but that's another topic. This is a very interesting bike. When it comes to racing, actually, Ultraviolette is still figuring out how exactly to go about it. One make championship is obviously going to be the first logical step. And I think that we should be hearing more on how the championship will unfold in the coming few months. Even for that matter, racer selection, who all will be eligible to ride this bike. Me, not him, me. Who all will be eligible to ride this bike? Racer selection should be happening very soon on Ultraviolette's website. And I think that's it from us, from Auto Expo 2023 when it comes to motorcycles. Any parting thoughts?
Let's go racing, man. Let's settle the score.
I need some food, man.